How to change App Store country or region to United States in your iPhone. So here is how to do so with an easy workaround. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is open the App Store in your iPhone's home screen. Then once inside it, you can see your profile picture available at the top right corner of your screen. Simply tap on it and navigate to your profile section. Once there, you can see your Apple ID available there. Simply tap on it. And you might be prompted with your Apple ID password. Enter it. Once entered, all you have to do is tap on the country/region option available there. Simply tap on it. Then all you have to do is confirm the country/region if prompted. Then you'll be navigated to the list of countries and region available. From here, scroll down and select the United States. Now, once you find the United States, simply tap on it. Then tap on the continue button available or follow any on-screen instructions. Now, once you tap on the continue, you will be navigated to the terms and conditions. Now, all you have to do is read all the terms and conditions, then tap on the agree button available at the top right corner of your screen. Then you will be navigated to the payment method. If you do not want any payment method, then you can tap on the none option available there as well. Then simply enter your billing addresses, like you can use any US address, Google a valid zip like 9202. And after that, all you have to do is tap on the done option available there. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.